This 5-minute solution will show you how to solve iPhone screen randomly dims issue. So if you're facing your brightness auto increasing and decreasing issue, don't worry. Follow these simple steps to fix this issue. So the first solution is disable auto brightness. Open your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, tap on display and text size, scroll down, disable auto brightness, and then check the issue. And the second solution is disable true tone. Scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Here disable true tone and then check the issue. And the third solution is disable low power mode. Scroll down and tap on battery, disable low power mode, and then check the issue. And the last and final solution is update your iPhone. Go to General, Software Update, and if you see any update available here, then update your iPhone and hope this solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.